Snow is really deep. Very deep snow. Oh shit. Right guys, what's going on? I'm here from Harlem. Very happy because we finally have a really big snow, which we didn't have for like, I would say like 10 years or more probably. And today I'm gonna show you guys around the neighborhood how it looks. So stay tuned with me and let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, yeah, it's really deep snow. Very deep, look. And it keeps going on and on. So it's gonna be really big. I'm excited. Even though it's kind of like bad news for many people, but come on, man. It's time to enjoy the snow. Let me show you a view from the street. Oh my God. Look at this. Woo. Crazy, huh? See kids and parents enjoying. That's cool. So I'm gonna go up now. Come on. see the aftermath. Now we're gonna have to go through this. Now, how do I go through this? My God. Yeah, still going rough. We're here in the Bronx right now. This is the bridge that separates the Bronx and Manhattan. Beautiful, huh? Over there, the Yankee Stadium. Hey. What's up? What's up? Know? Good, good.
I left it open. Right. I have to stimulate my mind. I would have waited for you to get here, but I would
Alright, so here in Central Park, one of the best things to come is because you really forget the noise from the city. It helps you to clear your mind, and you know, as you can see, you are with nature, which is great, to make a connection with the nature, right? I really recommend you guys to come to Central Park. I will always do, because it's really nice. It's really nice. If it wasn't for this park, oh my God, I don't know what it would be. How to deal with anxiety, the stress, and all of that. Oh man. But yeah, Central Park is beautiful. And guys, don't forget to come here. So let's go. I'm gonna show you more. And as you guys can see, I bet you guys that most of the people that come here are tourists. New Yorkers, we don't really, we don't really care too much about, about our city. We don't take it like that serious, which is sad, because a lot of New Yorkers are really stressed, and this is, coming here is a way out, at least for me. And yeah. It is what it is. The lake is frozen, which is crazy. You guys gonna see this beautiful thing. I'll show you guys. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh wow. It's like, I bet you can walk in there. It's crazy. Alright guys, so this is it for now. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and there is a lot more to come, alright? I'm planning to visit museums and recommend you guys what it is that would be convenient for you if you guys come here to New York City. So stay tuned and feel free to ask me any questions. I'll be gladly to answer down in the comments. So thank you, and please subscribe. I need you guys' support so we can grow and be, a bigger community. This is it for now. Thank you again. See you guys in the next video.